Okay, working on this Kwikset Smartkey Generation 3. Okay, it's locked. Okay, I got my pie, a little curve in it. Alright, here's my tool. I'm gonna get back here, start working on the sidebar. 1, 2, go back to 1. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Okay, pay attention. Open the tool. There we go. And it's open. Okay, let's keep this in frame. Leave this at that position. Okay. Keep that out. This out of the way. Okay. Let's take this apart. It's off. Put this out. Still picked open. Okay, let's take this off here, the back. Good. Take that off. And bring this out. Out. Okay, open this up. Okay, here. You can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's all 5. And that's picked, and I'll put it back together. So I'm just going to put these back in here. What I'll do is I'll zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. So put it back together. Pull the wafers out. Okay, alright, so let's take a look at this. So there's wafers. Alright, and basically you're putting them back onto the sidebar. So there's you can see the reverse sidebar in there, and it goes in this direction to get all the teeth pointed up. I'm dropping off one of them. There's one on, there's the other one, there's the other one. Okay, on here. So small. Okay, good. Alright, so I see 4 there. There's the 5th one. Alright. So now all 5 are back on. So I'm going to put this back on. Okay, before I put it back on, I'm going to get the key that I want to set to. There you go. This back on, like so. Okay, and make sure that bar is flat. The bar's flat. And I can verify this after I put this back together. So put that there. Put this kind of, there's the bar. The bar goes going to go here, so I'll put the little offset. in. Let's take this out, make sure it works. Okay, so the key's out. Sorry, not staying in frame of that. Put it in here, and it works. Let's pop this back out. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, let's put this back together. Put the washer back on. Put this back in. Like so. Okay, back in. And bend this a little bit, so we'll just bend this little, have to be more of a clip. And there we go, back together. Okay, works, perfect.